Hello students. Today we will learn about an introduction to SPSS. Computers are ideal for performing statistical calculation and analysis. Many high quality statistical packages are on the market like SPSS, SAS, Stata, R, Minitab, eViews, etc. We have chosen SPSS to illustrate basic ideas of statistics. Here we use SPSS 24 version. First install the SPSS software 24 in your computer. When we run SPSS on our computer, we get two main windows. Data editor window, data editor window having two component, data view and variable view. Data editor window having two views, data view and variable view. The second one is output viewer. Go to PC search bar and type in the search bar IBM SPSS Statistics 24 and click OK. IBM SPSS version 24 program will start and first welcome dialog box select new database or new dataset option. Select new dataset option. Data editor. In SPSS statistical package for the social sciences, the data editor is the main window where user enter, view and manipulate data. It functions similarly to a spreadsheet but is specially designed for statistical analysis. Data editor has two windows. Untitled window, data editor and data editor first window is data view. Data view display raw data in a spreadsheet format. Rows is equal to cases, participants, columns is equal to variables. Data view, data editor, second view is variable view. Variable view allows users to define and modify variable properties, name, type, labels, values, missing values, etc. The second window is output viewer. In SPSS, the output viewer is a window that displays the results of statistical analysis, tables, charts, and logs of executed commands. Data editor has two windows. First one is data view and second one is variable view. In variable view, we create a database variable characteristics or properties by coding our variables. Data, data editor variable view variable properties. Here we have 11 properties for any variable or variable characteristics. Name, the first one is name, the second one type with decimal, label, values, missing column, align, measure, and role. The first one is name. This is the unique identifier for the variable in SPSS. It is used to refer to the variable in analysis. Variable names must start with the letter A, B case sensitive, and at the rate can contain letters, numbers, and underscore full stops. They cannot contain spaces or special characteristics. The second property is type of variables. Specifies the type of data the variable contains. Common types include the numeric, string, date, time, and currency. Variable type window also given with which is set on default 8 and decimal place which is set on default 2. With for numeric variables width determines the maximum number of characters that can be displayed in the column. For string variable width specify the maximum length of the string. In default, width is 8. Decimals. For numeric variables, decimals determine the number of decimal places to display. For numeric variables, decimal determine the number of decimal places to display. In default, decimal places is 2. Label. A label is the descriptive full name for the variable. It provides additional information about the variable and can more descriptive than the variable name itself. Labels can include spaces and special characters. Values. Values specifies the value labels for the categorical or ordinal variables. This allows you to assign meaningful labels to numeric codes. For example, a variable representing gender might have a value label of 1 for male and 2 for female. Missing value. Missing value indicates how missing values are coded in the dataset. You can specify one or more codes to represent the missing values for the variable. Define missing values 99 or blank. Column specifies the width of the column in data view where the variable's data will be displayed. This determines how much space the variable occupies in the dataset. In default, column width is 8. Align. Align is right, left, or center. Its mean determines the alignment of values within the column in data view. Values can be aligned left, right, or center. Measure. The measure characteristics define the level of measurement or scale of a variable. It indicates the nature of the data contained in the variable and determines the types of statistical analysis that can be performed on it. The characteristics of measure in SPSS variable view include scale, ordinal, and nominal. The role property of a variable helps categorize how the variable is used in analysis. This is an optional setting found in the variable view under the role column. Input independent variables, target variable known as dependent variable, both means if we use independent and target variable depending on analysis. None, no specific role assigned. Partition variable used to divide data into subset. Split variable used for grouping data in analysis. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.